Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the language within the Fall Guys game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Fall Guys game on your device. And once the game is fully loaded, you will end up within the homepage, from which you can directly start enjoying your games. Now, if you wish to change the language interface for your game, then simply tap on the gear icon at the top right corner or press the escape button within your keyboard. Now, from this menu, just tap on the gear icon, which is the options menu. And now the second option is your language option, which you can simply tap on in order to change to your desired language. Once you have found your chosen language, simply tap on the space button or click on the save key in order to save your changes. And now your chosen language will be applied within the entire game. You can change this at any time if you wish to change back your language once again. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the language within the Fall Guys game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.